Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies. And we're going to be showing you our Poly Matte Shot Glass.
Right after this. And we're back. So today we're going to be pressing our shot glass. This is 3 ounces. And we are going to be using our heat shrink bags, and we're going to be putting it in the oven. Of course, if you do have a mug press that has an element specific to the shot glass, you can of course use your mug press.
Okay, we pre-printed this on our Sawgrass SG500. And we're going to tape it on there. And just pop it right here in our shrink wrap bag.
And this is our smallest size that we offer for the heat shrink bags. We're working with this item.
So you can trim away some of the excess just so you don't have the bulk. And you can put it in your oven like this because it will shrink down, but if you feel more comfortable, you can use the heat gun.
Exactly.
So we'll go put this in the oven and see what we come up with. All right, fresh out of the oven. There we go.
Okay, so now you have one personalized shot glass. And again, you can find product instructions and templates available online. And when using an oven, we always recommend to test your item before going to full production, just for setting wise. Thank you for watching our video tutorial, and we'll see you next time.